This is what you are supposed to do. After logging on to your Zoom account from the web URL, you first navigate down to the settings, and then below here you see this admin, and under the admin we have a lot of information here, which includes the plans and the billing, the user management, the team chat, device, and all those things. So quickly we go to user management, and when you go to user management, you see users, groups, roles, and then contacts. So first you check how many users that you have in the system by clicking on the users, and then you'll be able to tell if you have only one user or two in the system. Okay, so now after the system user interface has opened, you see that we have import and then add users. So at the moment we only have 2 users in this Zoom premium account, and then this is the first one which is the owner of the account, and then he has also given a right to somebody as well. So you can simply click on add user if it is only 1 or 2 persons you want to add, or click on import. What this means is that you can have your details, the details of the people that you want to add in an Excel format, and then simply click on an import and then import those information. But in your case you want to only add 2 or 3 people, so you can just click on add users, and when you click on add users, what you are going to use to separate them is you use comma to separate them. So you can type their emails and then use comma to separate them individually. Okay, then you come and give their department name, their positions, their job title, their location, then you just click on add. Okay, so that is basically what you need to do. Now the next thing is you can come to roles. After creating, you come to roles. Okay, then you can assign users to roles. So here you can add a role. So at the moment we only have one role, which is owner. We don't have any administrators privileges, so you can click and edit all these roles as well. Then you can also have groups, so you can create groups. You can create groups too for your users that you have added to the system. Then you assign them roles. So you can create an individual as a user, put them into groups, and assign roles to groups. So as you can see, there is no group here, so you can do all those things. Okay, now if you want to change the main information about the meeting, I think you go to meetings, and then from meetings you just look at it. As you can see, you can get a meeting template.